Hey guys, welcome to my channel. And this video I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok WhatsApp share problem. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, if you are having trouble sharing TikTok videos on the WhatsApp, you can update the TikTok WhatsApp and make sure that you are using the latest version of the TikTok and WhatsApp. Updating the apps can fix any bugs related to sharing the video. Guys, you can also save the video and share it manually. If you are unable to share the TikTok video directly on the WhatsApp, so you can try saving the video to your device and sharing it manually. So open the TikTok app and locate the video you want to share. Tap on the share button and select save video. I can tap on the share button and tap on the save video. So once the video is saved, you can share it manually on the WhatsApp by going to your gallery and selecting the video. And you can see directly status. I can directly upload to my status or I can send to my contacts. But if you are not showing this problem directly to the WhatsApp, you can open the WhatsApp app and from there you can tap on the camera and you can select the video. From there you can see the video is downloaded on your gallery, and from there you can easily upload your status or you can send someone's your favorite. So this is how you can easily fix that problem. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.